Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learner to Learner. My name is Kumudini Pradhan and you are watching my English channel Learner to Learner where I upload English content video. So today's video is very interesting. So today I am going to share some simple tips that is very helpful to you speak English confidently. Okay. So if you understand English still you can't speak English confidently, so this 5-minute video is change your mindset, and this 5 minutes video change your English speaking. Yes, so please watch this video till the end, then you get benefit from this video. So today I am going to share mostly learners think English speaking is very challenging. Yes, that is challenging if you are not practicing every day. If you practice it every day with simple sentence and using simple word, this is very helpful to you and very easy to understand and speak English confidently. So today I am going to share and I will help you how to speak English confidently without hesitate. Yes, mostly learners know how to make sentences, how to frame sentences, and also they know the different type of English grammar, but while speaking they feel hesitate. Yes, that is the main thing. So there is a need consistent way you have to speak, because English is a language we practice for that to communicate for the other people. So for that you have to practice speaking. So that is a very simple thing I would like to share, that is, if you understand English and you know everything, but when you speak that time you freeze, that time your mind goes blank. So what will you do? First start with your daily routine. Yes friend, daily routine is very helpful to speak English confidently and to understand also easily. So when you start with simple English. There is no need to use any fancy word or advanced word in your sentence. That is a very important. Repeat after me. This is helpful to you. Okay. So for that you repeat after me. Say slowly after me, and if you make mistake while speaking, it's okay. There is no worry about that. Okay. So you can say, start with me. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take bath. I have breakfast. I go to school. Yes, these are 5 sentences everyone know. Yes, but I am going to share different thing. Whenever you use different type of other words, 4 to 5, this sentence will make more confident. Now we will upgrade our level and make sound more confident using only few words in this same sentence. There is no need to change the sentences. Yes, I know everyone know I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to school. I took bath. I brush my teeth. All these sentences are very simple. Everyone know. But how to upgrade these sentences? Yes. How to improve our level? How to speak confidently? So for that you can use different words like usually, then, after that, finally, eventually. Yes. So you can repeat after me again. Okay. Our first sentence is I wake up at 6 a.m. So you can say usually I wake up at 6 a.m. Yes, you can say I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. After that I take bath. Then I go to school. Yes, these sentences are same. There is no any changes in this sentence. But after using these words, our English level will improve. Yes, we upgrade our level, and it's whenever anyone listen to it, it sound more effective. Yes or no? Obviously yes. Yes. Now it's your turn. You can repeat these sentences after me with confidence. Yes? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I take bath. Then neither you can say finally I go to school. Finally or eventually you can say according to your choice. Okay, so in this way you can practice it every day, and according to your morning routine you can change the sentences also. You can take any simple sentences. In this way you can practice daily for 1 to 2 minutes every day. Yes, without leave one day. So after few days, after just a few days, your spoken English will improve. Yes, believe me. Now today's challenge for you, you can write 3 to 4 sentences your daily routine in comment box. I will read it, then if necessary I will rectify it. So in this way we can improve our spoken English. Yes. Okay, now we are going to end. This is the pro tips, I think, according to me, because in initial time I also practice the same way. Yes, I start with my daily routine. I start with my self introduction. Then after that, storytelling. Yes, whenever I visited any place, I always try to narrate that story. Yes, when I visited, with whom I visited. So in this way I improve my English. Yes, so you also practice it on your daily basis. Yes, one day you will be fluent, one day you will be a fluent speaker. Yes, if you want to speak English confidently, so like this video and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Learner to Learner. Keep learning, keep shining. Bye. Will you meet again in the next video with new tips, with new tricks. Till then, bye bye.